what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make pasta. This is really easy to make. Before I get started, if you guys want to see more baking and cooking videos, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also turn on your notification bell so you guys never miss a video. Anyways, now let's get started. Let's go. Guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start by boiling the pasta. So I'm going to add into my pot of water some salt, sprinkle around. Then I'm going to add some oil, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the pasta. Okay guys, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop up some onion, some tomato, and also 2 pieces of garlic. So let's start with the onion. I am going to use half of this. It really just depends on how much you actually make. I'm not really making a lot, so I'm just going to use half. And be careful when you're cutting, okay? So I'm going to start by cutting maybe around here. I don't have like a full-on technique on how to cut, by the way, so I just cut randomly where I need to. Put this on the side. Okay guys, so now I'm going to chop up the tomato. And I'm gonna cut off the end. I'm gonna cut off the ends and also the other end. Guys, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start preparing the meat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some oil, about this much. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to start adding all the vegetables, the garlic, onion, and the tomatoes. First I'm going to start with the garlic. I'm going to let this sizzle up a little bit. And I'm going to give this a little mix. And now I'm going to add the onions along with the tomatoes. Guys, so it's on medium. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to start adding the seasoning. The first thing I'm going to add is some salt and black pepper. Sprinkle that in. Give this a mix again. Next thing I'm going to add is some garlic powder and some cayenne pepper. And last but not least, I'm going to add some parsley. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add some butter. And I'm going to give this a mix. And the next thing I'm going to add is some milk. This is a third of a cup. Listen. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to add is some Alfredo roasted garlic sauce. This is a half a cup. Okay guys, so the pasta is cooked. Now I'm going to strain it. Now the next thing I'm going to add is some green onions. I'm also going to cut up some chili, green chili. By the way, I did add some frozen green onions. You can use fresh onions if you like, but I had frozen, so that's what I added. Now I'm going to give this a mix. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to add is the pasta. So the next thing I'm going to add is some vinegar. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add some coriander.